Hey! We got another tutorial for you. Today, we are going to learn how to connect your Shiprocket account with Return Prime to auto-generate return pickup requests without going anywhere, so let's jump in. Log into your Shiprocket account to generate the required credentials. Once logged in, click on Settings, available on the left sidebar. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the API option. Click on Configure, and you will see a blue color button called Create an API User. Use it to create an API user. You will now get a pop-up to enter email and password. Remember to use any email other than your registered one, as Shiprocket won't accept it. Once done, just click on the Generate API Credentials button. You have what you need now. Use these credentials to connect Shiprocket with Return Prime. Let's go to the Return Prime dashboard now to connect Shiprocket. The very first thing you need to do is to click on the Settings and then Logistics option. Scroll through the list of logistic options to find Shiprocket and click on the blue Activate button next to it. Fill in the API account email ID and password we just got from your Shiprocket dashboard. In addition to this, enter the email you used to log into your Shiprocket account in the last field, Shipping Email ID, and click on Save and Activate. Now when your customer will raise a request, you can approve it using the Shiprocket option available under Logistics Partner, and a tracking number will be generated instantly. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any kind of questions, issues during the process, feel free to drop an email to us at help@returnprime.com or make use of the live chat option available on your Return Prime dashboard, and we promise to ensure everything is up and running for you instantly.